Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Learning Station and this is me Alvin. In today's video, we'll be seeing how to make a Ubuntu Live Persistence USB. So basically, this is a USB in which we can store the Linux operating system Ubuntu, and in that we'll be able to like save any changes, add folders, do install things, and still be able to save it without installing it to the laptop. So let's get started. So first we'll be going over to Ubuntu's website. So we'll click download over here, download Ubuntu. So here we'll click download Ubuntu desktop. In here right now we'll click download the Ubuntu 22.04.4 LTS version. Okay. So we'll click download and it will show up the download page and we'll download it. We don't have to do anything for here. So it will download and I have already downloaded this, so I'll not be going here, but I'll be putting the link to this website in the description. So now we'll be opening also another one. We'll also be using, we have to download another app called Rufus. We'll just type in. Then we have to go to rufus.ie. I'll be putting the link towards this as well. Then you'll scroll down. And since I'm in Windows, I'll be putting the latest version is Rufus 4.4. So I'll just click that. I have already downloaded this as well. I'll just go back and click again. So I have already downloaded this. So I'll just put cancel. This link will also be in the description. So next one is after it finishes downloading. So now that we have installed all of this, so now we will go to burn the ISO file to the USB. So I have plugged in my USB right now. So I'll just, so right now I have plugged in the USB, new volume E. Then I'll select the ISO that I want. Here, this is Ubuntu 22.04.4. I have selected it and I'm putting the persistence. This is the most important step. So after we put this, we'll just increase it to max. It doesn't have to be max, it can be anywhere in the middle. So right now we'll just go through all this and as it is all good, we'll just click start and it will show a warning page that all of the files will be deleted. We'll just click OK and now we wait. As we are partitioning it to make it persistent, it will take a lot of time. Not a lot, but depending on the size of the USB, it will take some time. So this is also main part. So it is basically creating a partition, two partitions, one in which the boot on data is stored, and the other partition in which the data that we make and save will be stored over there. So now we wait. Now it will start writing it to the USB. It is done partitioning. USB is finished partitioning and burning it to the burning the ISO. So now we'll close all of this and we will restart the laptop. We'll go into the boot menu right now. So right now I have switched over to an external camera. I have the USB stick right here. I'll plug it into the laptop right now and whatever the boot menu key is for your device manufacturer, I'll just press. For my, as mine is an Asus laptop, I'll just press escape key and I'll start the laptop. So here it will show the like this. In mine it shows like this at least. So here I'll switch over to the USB stick and click enter, and I'll click enter again, try or install Ubuntu. Now we wait for it to load. It will take some time. So here it has loaded right now. This is the thing we want, and to just to make sure that it is working, I'll just create a new folder. It will take some time. Okay, it has created. I will rename this to test. Oops. So I'll just rename it. Inside also I'll just create another folder. Test one. So right here, two folders have been created. We'll just restart this to make sure it is working. So here we'll just click restart. Restart automatically in 60 seconds. So I'll just click restart, and now we wait again. As in this laptop, the main priority for booting is this Windows itself, so I'll just be pressing escape right after it shutdowns. So here this one, please remove the installation medium. It will show this otherwise itself, like here. Now I'll just click enter. So it has turned off, so I'll just restart it. Okay, so we'll just go back to the USB and we'll click try or install Ubuntu. So when we boot it up, we can see that it's still here, and the other folder is also still here. So this was we can do it like this. So friends, if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell notifications button. Until next time, it's me, Alan, signing.